Hi guys, hope you're all doing good. Um, I found myself on a losing streak, and it's so sad. Yeah, because this came after the back of a very big win for me. You guys remember my 5 hour win on 4 hour win on Tuesday, and ever since then it's been loss, and even more losses. Yeah, I lost on Wednesday, I lost on Thursday, I was break even on Friday, and yesterday Monday I lost again. Yeah, so it's a bit painful, but it's what the market is all about. So you have to be able to manage yourself during the sweet times and also during the trying times. And I find myself in the trying times right now because before now, over the last 4 weeks, a month, yeah, I've not lost 2 consecutive days. Yes, so you can imagine how it is now. The worst that has happened is that I was break even on one day, and next day I'm back winning. Or I was 1 to 1 all through the week, which is still profit. Yeah, but last week and this week has been tough, and I think it's because of the consolidation period where most of the pairs find themselves, especially USD pairs, and I trade the USD pairs more. Yes, so one of the pair that has been responsible for my losses, mostly responsible for my losses within this period, is NZD USD, and that's because it's been hovering in one position for the last 2 weeks, maybe 1 2 weeks. Yeah, because the previous week I had a lot of opportunity to enjoy myself on NZD USD. Yeah, but well, it's what it is. We will definitely get past this stage, and this is where you need to hold your nerve as a trader. Most of us don't really get to be successful because we don't know how to manage these situations. And in times past when I was still trading some years back, when I wasn't really good at what I do, this is one of the situations where I just lose it and the account is gone, and I'm already starting afresh again, and I get frustrated and I leave the market alone. But this time around, it's not going to happen because I've seen a lot and I've learned from my mistakes as well. Yeah, so I had 4 hour on Tuesday, and between Wednesday and yesterday, I've lost the whole 4 hour. So you can imagine what that can do to somebody. So right now I'm thinking of how to arrest this losing streak, and definitely I'm going to arrest it. In this kind of situation, what you just have to do is be patient. If the market is not going your way, then just, if it's not doing what you want it to do, if it's not obeying your pattern, then just let it be. Give it time, and when you see some good movements again, you hop in. Yeah, yesterday I saw a good movement on NZD USD. My NZD USD gave me a loss on Monday, but yesterday, if I had taken that trade, definitely I would have won a 2 hour. It was a 2 hour trade, so I would have won it. But the reason why I didn't take it is because of the US election, and US election sometimes can be very haphazard. So you don't know where it's going to go. It may be going up, then switch down rapidly and all that. So I was not emotionally ready to take another loss yesterday, and especially not due to an event that I already know was going to happen. Yeah, so that's the reason why I didn't trade yesterday. Yes, so I had NZD on my mind. I will show you on my chart what I saw on it, and how the trade later played out. I also had pound card on my mind. If you've been following me, you know that pound card is a very good friend of mine. Yeah, so I had it on my mind too. And if I had taken pound card, it would have ended up in loss. Yeah, there was a spike down in the New York session that would have taken that one in loss. When the USD, it was in London session, so it went in profit. I remember the US election will happen on the US time frame, which is 1 p.m. our time. That's 8 a.m. their own time, 1 p.m. our time, up down to 9 10 p.m. Yeah, so that's the summary of my of what's been happening to me within the last 1 week. My funded account is now in drawdown. Yeah, but it's not up to 1% drawdown. Remember, I trade 0.5% of the account, so it's just around 0.5% in drawdown. The same thing with the Bogo account, because it's basically the same strategy. Yeah, so the Bogo account also is in drawdown. Yeah, less than 0.5%. And okay, no, I traded 1% on the Boga account, so but it's still in drawdown around 0.5%. I'll show you guys later on. Yeah, and then the other account, 10K account that I wanted to raise back, I wanted that I brought back to break even. I wanted to keep on trading. That account has suffered, but how is it that it was when the losing streak started that I started trading 1% on that account? That account has taken a very big hit, and I think the balance is around 9,000 450 or so. And 9,450 is more than, I think it's 5.5% down. Yeah, that's 5.5% down. So all I need, all the amount of trades I have on that account now, if I'm risking 1%, will be two trades, and then $50 will be left. So, but I'm not going to reduce the risk on that account because I've already started trading 1% on it. There's no point taking it back to 0.5% and start sleeping in the drawdown stage. If it's going to, I'm going to lose the account, then I lose the account. That's just what that's the reality of prop trading. So if you really want to be good in prop trading, emotions has to be set aside. And so I'm not going to reduce that risk. I'm going to take the two 1 hour trades that are left on the account, and then the 0.5 hour trade that will be left on it, because I have I think $250 left on that account. Yeah, 100 and then 50. So that's how it's going to be. And the only thing I'm going to change is that I'm not going to trade it during this uncertain period. Yeah, so that's another skill, that another trick that you need to learn. Now I know that my loss rate, my win rate has reduced. I'm not going to trade that account now because there's a very good chance that I'm going to lose it. So I'll keep on trading my funded account, and that one I'll even be more careful. I'm risking 0.5% there, so I should be fine. I'll keep on trading my funded account, then I'll also keep on trading the Bogo account. Remember, I'm risking 1% there too, and I have like seven more 1% on that account before it goes. So I hope that the week from henceforth will be better. Yeah, so I can raise at least those two accounts first. Then if I see that things are going well, I'll add the 10K accounts as well to it. All right, guys. So that's all I have to speak about for now. Let me go into my chat so I can show you some of the trades I would have taken yesterday, and also the trade that ended me up in loss on Monday. All right, guys. See you. Hi guys, so I forgot to speak about pound JPY too. I also took pound JPY trade on Monday. Yeah, I took two trades, one on pound JPY and one on NZD USD, and both of them hit stop loss. Yes, so that was all summed up my day on Monday. And here, this is the trade I took on pound JPY. I'll quickly show you what I saw that made me take the trade. So if I zoom into the 4 hours time frame, I mean zoom out to the 4 hours time frame. Okay, we'll not see this clearly because this 4 hour candle has covered everything. But let me see from the 1 hour. Okay, yeah, I think this is clearer. So before then I had not drawn, of course this is where it happens. So I have not drawn this trend line. So definitely this trend line would have been somewhere like this. Yeah, so from this view it was already looking bullish for me. Yeah, and maybe not so strong because I'm back on the 4 hours now. And okay, I think what I saw was this bullish move and the retest of this yellow line which I have here, which is my support resistance line. And yeah, so you can see it came back to this trend line, that's to retest this horizontal level. If I zoom out, you will see that this horizontal level has been respected in the past here, 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 and all these levels as well. So it was a very good level to take a trade from. And when I saw these bullish candles form, look at them, one, two, three, four, five of them back above this resistance level, I just knew, or I felt that this bullish move will continue. And of course, you can see that it continued, just that the market will always want to stop hunt people and take them out of the market. That's how we get liquidity for his trade. So it's quite understandable. It was a bullish move and I was sure of it. And of course, I at first I wanted to enter at the back of this green candle here. This one, this green bullish candle, looks like a hammer. So I was going to enter at the back of that hammer, and I missed it because I didn't. This was around 7 a.m. So I came in around 7 past 7, so I already missed it. And then on coming back to this level, I was patient, and that's one thing that is painful about this market. The time you don't enter, you don't do impulse trading, it would the time you don't do impulse trading, that is time it will now want to treat you bad, like very very painful. Because on a normal day, I could have, since I already wanted to enter at this level, when I saw market back here, I could have just entered and you know, and then hope that it will go in my direction. But I waited. So if this green candle, I will move this arrow out to now so you can see what I'm saying clearly. Yeah, so if this green candle had not formed, I would not have entered this trade. You see how one tries to be careful with what he's doing with your plan, and yet the market still goes against you. So if this green candle had not formed yet, this is a very clean bullish hammer off of this level. It signals that this move is going to continue. As in, look at the range here. So it came, rejected clearly, closed. So you see, I was very, very careful with this trade because I knew that this could happen. But yet they still, this market, they will always find a way to deal with you. Yeah, so I waited for this hammer to form, and yet look at what happened. It took me back below that resistance level, and that was how I lost this trade one hour. It was painful, it was fast at least. So there was no heart jumping up and down, it was very fast, took me out, and that was how I left that trade alone. This is Monday, and look at what happened on Tuesday, which is yesterday. We have this range again. This is US election period, so maybe that's why it didn't really move. Then this morning, early this morning, look at what we have. Um, a bullish move to the upside, a retracement, and then about to continue. I hope I don't miss this trade. I'll try to see if I can catch it as soon as this video is over. Yeah. Then I also took NZD USD on Monday. Let me show you the one I took on Monday. This is Tuesday. Okay, this is Monday right here. So it's similar to what I showed you on pound JPY. Market just trying to frustrate me, and it's not going to get me. Yeah, because I'm much more mature now, and I'm definitely not for these tricks. Okay, so let me see if I will be able to show you what I saw from the larger time frame. Okay, so remember in my video just now, I said that the market has been ranging. So look at the level where the market has been ranging on over. This is 28th of October down to yesterday. This is 5th of November. So that's like 1 2 weeks as the market has been ranging, and has dealt with me, shall. So look at when I had the opportunity to win, to benefit from the market, and then look at here again. This NZD has actually dealt with me. So, but coming back to the recent trade, this is one I took on Monday, day before yesterday, and you can see again that I have my support and resistance level here, and the market has come to this level. Look at this green. I need to see if I can zoom this again. Okay, look at this green bullish candle here. Let me point to it. Look at this green bullish candle here. So it's a rejection, and look at this red one. Look at the rejection here as well. This week, then there's another rejection here too, and then I expected that the market would continue in the bullish move. In fact, I even drew this channel to show that, okay, to guide my bias. So I drew this channel to guide my bias. Look at the first touch, second touch, and then although of course it has not touched the third time, but because this was a trading session and it looked like it was going to continue off of this resistance level rather than the trend line, the channel support. So, and look at this bullish candle also from. See, one thing about my trading is that I try to wait for confirmations before I go into the trade. So look at this bullish candle that from this green one here. I think it's the one that I showed you from 4 hours. Then look at it here again, this green candle. So it closed. That's a 1 hour close, showing that this bullish move was going to continue. And so I didn't want to miss it. And that was how I jumped into the trade. Yeah, this is 15 minutes now. And even on 15 minutes is also still clear, because now look at it bouncing, look at the range below on this resistance support line, and then some impulsive candle showing that is about to continue the bullish move. And yet, see, came back in drawdown. It came back in drawdown and gave us some bullish candles again. Gave this hammer, gave this not a hammer sha, but another bullish candle, showing that it was going to continue. Look at the another bullish candle again. So the it looked very much like a very good trade, and you can see higher lows started forming on 15 minutes. Yeah, and then it crashed all of us. It liquidated us. So this is another form of stop hunt again. Took all our profits. So I've basically suffered from two stop hunts on Monday, and then came back towards this channel support. Even tried to run it over. So some people that trade channel breakout will think that this has been broken and want to start selling, and then it took everybody up again. Of course, I don't trade in the night, in the early morning. This is 1 a.m., so I won't be here. Yes, but then yesterday, which was the election day, I woke up around 7 a.m. and I saw this bullish move. I've already seen these higher lows, one here, the second one here, and I saw this. So this is the trade I would have taken. In fact, I drew this arrow to just in case it goes my direction, so I would see what I had missed. So I would have taken this trade if not for the news, or maybe I may have not taken it because I was still very scared from the stop hunt I suffered on Monday. So, but if I had taken this, then obviously right in direction, so this would have been correct, because NZD was still giving some bullish vibes within last week and this week, even though it was consolidating. And so that was how I missed out on the trade yesterday. If I had taken this one yesterday, I would have recovered the two losses from Monday. Yeah, but that's what it is. Definitely, I would have, if I had taken it, I would have recovered the two losses. Yeah, but this is what we have. Then there's the last one I saw on Pound Card too for yesterday. Maybe if I had taken this NZD, I would have recovered, then I would have lost again. I'd have lost a 1 hour again yesterday if I had taken a Pound Card, because just like my other analysis, this is also bullish. You can see the bounce of this support line. Then look at here, resistance support here on this channel. And then look at this green candle. One thing with me is I always like to wait for confirmation. Look at this green bullish candle. This is the first one. Let me enlarge it a bit. This is the first one. Then look at the second one, like going up. So it gives some kind of assurance that this is going to be in a bullish direction. Although yesterday was election, so US election, so I can't blame anything on this trade. Yeah, so and it came back in drawdown, gave this I think they call this railway pattern also. Another green candle showing signal that it was going to go. I'm sure some people would have got in after this, and then it crashed everybody again. I don't know, maybe it had to do something to do with the news, but this was 1 p.m. my time. I think that's 8 a.m. US time. So maybe the news was responsible for it, and that was how I would have lost. So I would have won one yesterday, and I would have lost one as well in this pound card. So that's it. I've not really had a chance to do much analysis this morning, so I can't really say anything. But this is a long channel I've had on this chart for a long time, and the price is currently there, so it may be a good reason. There may be a good reason to buy, yeah, or wait for a channel break if it looks more likely to break. So for now, I'm still watching. I think Pound JPY presents a good trade, but I'm very skeptical of this level because I've enjoyed. Let me say, I've enjoyed stop hunt. Like I don't want to be stop hunted again. I rather just sit out the trade. Yeah, and adjusting this trend line, I'm seeing that there's still room to go down here. So it's all just sketchy for me. Let me make this a channel. It's all just sketchy for me at the moment um for pound JPY. In fact, for trading as a whole. Mm, I want to see what was likely going to happen with pound JPY. Yeah, so normally this is thank God that I saw this. Remember NZD USD. These things they tend to play out like every time. Look at NZD US. This is where I took this trade before waiting for it to come to the channel support, and you see it hit me out in loss. Now exactly the same thing is playing again. Exactly the same thing is playing out again on pound JPY. So if I enter here, there's likelihood that it will come back to this, and you see this range here, it shows that there are orders around this level. So there's a very strong possibility that it will come to this level, and then it will have taken me and other traders out here in loss. So it's not as if this is a bad trade to take, but it's just maybe this period makes it a bit risky to trade to take. But I'll just keep on watching. If the opportunity presents itself, if it looks good, if it's rejecting again. So these are all bullish signs that normally I would have taken this trade. In fact, let me draw this two here so that I can, maybe in my next video I will show you how this played out. Let me draw this to the way I would have taken a trade if I was going to take this trade. So I'd have, yeah, I think this is enough room. Yeah, then I would have been targeting this channel support right here to give me a 1 to 2. Yeah, so this is how I would have taken these trades. I've tried to bring the stop loss below this resistance level here, yeah, to just protect it and close to the channel support in case it wants to come down. But for this, I think I'll just let it slide. I'll watch it. If it comes down here, I'll be so happy to take it. And then my RR2 will look something like this. It doesn't look like it's going to come down anyway, but if it comes down somewhere here, then I'll take it right here. Then my RR2 will be something like this. I may want to bring it below this just to be safe. You know, when you've taken some hits, you tend to be a bit more careful. I'll probably bring it below that, and I have my 1 to 2 or even 1 to 3. So you see, it's a better opportunity, but whether it's going to play is what you don't know. Whether it's going to continue from here, you don't know. Whether it's going to come down here, you don't know. All right, so guys, this video is already too long. I don't think I have a video as long as this on this channel, but I believe you guys have gotten value from this video. Yeah, so let me quickly run into my funded account, my FundedNext account, so you can see how they are doing. All right, guys, so these are my accounts. My funded account, this is it right here at 4982. Yeah, so that's still less than 0.5% in loss in drawdown. And this is the BOGO account that I was given, still around 0.5% in drawdown. And then my old 10K account that has been suffering in drawdown, has been languishing in the pit of drawdown. Yeah, so it's here, and it's I think I have 9,200, and this account is gone. If I have 92, yeah, but I still have $253 to trade on this account. Yeah, and I already told you how I would handle the account. All right, so I'll go into my funded account so you can see the metrics and everything. So this is my funded account, and right here you can already see that the balance is 1982. That's $17.3 loss in drawdown, sorry, and less than 0.5% in drawdown too. So I'm still relatively safe on this account. I just have to be a little bit more picky on my trades, but being picky means that you may lose some opportunities. Yeah, but it's just what the game is about, because I cannot lose this 5K account. I must get a payout from it. Yeah, and the payout day is I think I've shown it before, is 19th of this month. So that's just like 2 weeks to go. Yeah, so I hope that I'm able to, once I can get this, the minimum payout is $20. So once I can get around $50 on this account between this week and next week, I'll probably just relax and withdraw it, then continue trading. Okay, so I think I should also show you the trades I took within the period. I don't know if there's anything of note here you want to see. Yeah, but these are the trades I took. I talked about Euro US, no, Euro USD should be Friday. Yeah, of course I didn't take anything Euro USD this week. Let's see the date. Fourth. Wow, fourth is on Monday. I took Euro USD and I didn't know about it. Oh, Yeah. I took one on USD. Came out prematurely when I saw that the market was not going the way I wanted it to. So, but this is the pound GPY trade I took that went straight to stop loss, and this is the NZUSD trade I took also that went a bit in profit and then straight to stop loss. Yes. So let me also show you my equity curve. Oh, I don't like equity curve looking this way. So you can see that I was healthy for a moment and then started running down. But I just hope that I believe I'll be able to steady this ship again. This is not one normal thing in trading, you have to get used to it. But I really believe I can get this ship steady and sailing. Okay, so let me. Oh god, this video is getting too long. Let me see if I can quickly show you the USD trade I took. That okay, this is it. That I came out. I ran out of this trade. Yeah, and my main reason for taking this trade was because it was on resistance, and you can see it. I didn't really draw it, but it's a resistance level. I don't want to spend time analyzing this. So let me just show it, and you can see the rejections from here. And so when it came back here again after a series of bearish candles, I entered for a possible sell. But then when I saw the way it was behaving, it gave me this big green candle first. Then came down again, then started showing bullish signs. As in when you see bullish signs in the market, you have to be very wary about it. So these are bullish signs. So I just had to get out of the trade before it got any worse. And if I had not gotten out of it, you can see I would have hit full stop loss. So this is the really trade that you see on my dashboard. All right, guys, thank you for following. I really appreciate this. Please like this video. A lot of you do not like it, just watch and go. Please like this video so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Please. And also share with your friends, subscribe, and watch out for more of these videos. I'm sure you are praying for me as much as I'm working hard to see that I steady this ship. This account must give me a withdrawal on 19th, and I'm very positive about it. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye.